Hey everyone, welcome back to our Figma tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to link pages in Figma for 2025. If you're a designer working on prototypes, linking pages can make your projects interactive and seamless. Whether you're new to Figma or just need a quick refresher, this guide will get you up to speed in no time. First things first, make sure you have a Figma account and a project open. If not, head over to figma.com and sign up, it's free. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Open your Figma file and navigate to the page you want to link from. This could be your homepage or any starting point in your design. Next, select the frame or element you want to turn into a link. For example, if you have a button, click on it to highlight it. Now, head over to the right-hand panel and find the Prototype tab. It's usually at the top. If you don't see it, double-check that you're in the prototype mode. Once there, click on the plus icon next to Interactions to add a new interaction. In the interaction settings, choose Navigate to from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. Select the page you want to link to from your files page list. Figma makes it easy. Your pages are all right there. Don't forget to set the trigger, like on click, so it activates when users interact with it. Hit Done and preview your prototype by clicking the play button at the top. Test it out. If something's not working, double-check your selections or ensure your pages are properly named. One pro tip for 2025. Figma has updated its linking features for better performance, so use variables if you're dealing with dynamic content. That's it. You've just linked your pages. This skill will level up your designs and impress your clients. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Figma tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.